Hey guys, what's up? It's Natural Hair is Key, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you this bomb braidless lazy girl crochet. I did not feel like doing my hair for a long time this time, so I was like, what can I do that's simple so it's not taking me all day to do my hair? And I landed on this. So now we're just going to start the basic crochet. And basically it's just 3 parts in the front, 2 parts in the back. I flat twisted it. Oh, that is not what I meant to say. I twisted it, the end, so that my hair wasn't just loose and out. And then I used my little cloth little scrunchies that don't have any metal part. And then I just banded those in place and then bobby pinned the last tail or the last piece of hair that was hanging. I just bobby pinned it. And I'm basically using 1 strand of hair. And I didn't like puff any of this hair. Like this is just all the natural curl. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you enjoy the video. And then I will slide back in. Okay, and now I'm just going to give myself a little trim. And honestly, I am not a pro at trimming at all. So I still have to work on this, but I still think it came together at the end. I just had a little difficulty trimming it because the hair was like so long. And here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did enjoy this content, make sure you smash that like button. And if you enjoy braidless crochets and other protective styles, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you will not miss any upcoming videos. But that's all I got for you guys today. And I will catch you on my next video.